I'm Pablo Alcala, the cinematography instructor here at Douglas. I wanted to put this video together because it seems like we're having a hard time actually getting together in person right now, and I wanted to let freshman parents know a little bit about my program. First, a little bit about me. I have a bachelor's degree in photojournalism from the University of Texas at Austin. For 20 years, I was a newspaper photographer. I worked at and interned at newspapers around the country, Palm Beach Post, Fort Worth Star-Telegram, Philadelphia Inquirer. For the last 16 years of my newspaper career, I was here at the Lexington Herald-Leader. About 2006, I got trained up to also be a videographer. So for about the last 10 years of my career, I was shooting both video and still pictures.
Sorry.
Debajo de esas dos cejas, debajo de esas dos cejas, qué bonitos ojos tienes.
My teaching certification is through Career Technical Education, and I've completed 2 years of a state program and am now a tenured teacher here at Douglas. I loved my former job, and I love this one. And I can tell you honestly, most days I wake up thinking I have the best job in the world. I don't think you can make a bad choice of pathways here at Douglas, but I would like to make a special case for the cinematography program. My program consists of 4 classes. They will take between their 10th and 12th grade year. In the intro class, they're going to learn photography and Photoshop skills. I'm going to teach them how a DSLR camera works and how to expose pictures manually. The next 3 classes are all video production courses that build on each other. At first, they will learn basic framing, interviewing skills, and story structure through making short films, documentaries, public service announcements, and short news segments. They will edit all these projects in Adobe Premiere Pro, and they will try for their Premiere Pro certification in their junior year. Most lessons in my classes are taught through project-based learning. We will enter film festivals and state and national competitions for STLP and Skills USA, as well as Student Television Network. While doing all this, I emphasize the 4 C's: communication, collaboration, creativity, and critical thinking. By their senior year, they should have a second Adobe certification and be working with real-world clients, pitching story ideas, working on production sets, editing videos that will be used for marketing.
I'd be happy to connect you with someone.
Or maybe they will be covering live sports events or creating news programs. A few students every year will decide to pursue this further in college, but most will take these skills to an unrelated major or directly into the workforce. One former student has used these skills to work for UK Athletics Media Relations while attending. Other students are in related majors at Asbury University, BCTC, and 2 current seniors are headed to Western Kentucky University to pursue film studies and broadcast journalism. Students in my program will have the opportunity to try out for morning announcements and produce a live stream program every school day, cover games, report on school news and events.
Tutoring and after-school activities. That's all the announcements. I have one. It is an honor and a privilege to serve you in this capacity.
Despite the pandemic, we currently have 2 students on internships using their video production and editing skills. I expect by the time your freshmen are seniors, there will be many more opportunities for co-ops and internships. No matter what industry your student will work in later in life, I believe these skills will come in handy. Think about it. What company out there isn't using video in their business right now? It's everywhere, and you don't notice it when it's good, but you do notice it when it's off in some way. Every large employer in Lexington has a marketing department that includes video production. Small businesses are using video to create a social media presence and to keep their websites relevant. If your student is interested in the cinematography program, please reach out to me. I'd love to answer any questions over the phone. Maybe you'd like to come in and take a tour of the studio or talk to some current or former students. I'm here to help. Good luck choosing a pathway for your student, and thanks for watching the video.